Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
Today we will be covering Microsoft expanding its internal use of Anthropic's Claude Code across major engineering teams, OpenAI confirming its first consumer hardware device which appears to be AI-powered earbuds, and OpenAI's release of GPT 5.2 Codex for agentic coding workflows. Let's start with some news coming out of Microsoft. The company has rolled out Anthropic's Claude Code well beyond its initial pilot teams and into core engineering organizations. This expansion now includes teams working on Windows, Microsoft 365, Outlook, Teams, and various internal tools. What's notable here is that the usage isn't limited to engineers. Designers and product managers are also using Claude Code for prototyping work. Microsoft is positioning this as complementary to GitHub Copilot rather than a replacement for it. The deployment runs on Cloud Sonnet 4 and focuses on agentic coding, refactoring, and task planning, all backed by Azure infrastructure. Tom Warren from The Verge reported that Claude Code use inside Microsoft has quietly gone way beyond experiments. This rollout was finalized on January 22nd and represents a significant vote of confidence in agentic coding tools at enterprise scale. When a company the size of Microsoft adopts a tool across multiple flagship product teams, it suggests these agentic approaches are delivering real value in production environments. Moving on to some hardware news from OpenAI. The company has officially confirmed that its first consumer hardware product will debut in late 2026. Multiple reports indicate this will be a screen-free, behind-the-ear AI earbud device internally referred to as Sweet Pea. The device is being designed by Jony Ive's team with a focus on ambient, voice-first AI interaction. Manufacturing discussions have reportedly involved Foxconn, and there are rumors of a custom 2nm chip powering the device. Chris Lehane from OpenAI spoke at an Axios House panel during Davos and said that devices are among the big coming attractions for OpenAI in 2026. This marks a significant strategic shift for OpenAI from being a software-only company to entering the consumer hardware space. The choice of earbuds as the form factor makes sense when you think about how voice interaction has become the most natural way for people to engage with AI assistants. Rather than requiring you to pull out a phone or sit at a computer, this approach puts AI access right at your ear, available whenever you need it. The involvement of Jony Ive's design team suggests OpenAI is serious about creating something that feels premium and thoughtfully designed, rather than rushing a product to market. Now let's talk about OpenAI's latest model release. The company has made GPT 5.2 Codex available to developers through the Responses API. This model is specifically optimized for autonomous coding and multi-step agent workflows. While the initial release happened on January 15th, developer adoption has accelerated significantly over the past 48 hours. The OpenAI changelog stated that GPT 5.2 Codex is optimized for agentic coding tasks. The model is available through the V1 Responses endpoint, with pricing in line with the standard GPT 5.2 tier. This release positions Codex as core infrastructure for AI software agents, meaning developers can build tools that don't just suggest code completions but actually plan out and execute multi-step programming tasks with greater autonomy. For developers building coding assistants or automated development tools, this represents a meaningful upgrade in capabilities. The focus on planning and tool use means the model can better understand complex coding tasks, break them down into steps, and work through them more independently. This fits into the broader trend of AI models becoming more capable of handling extended workflows, rather than just responding to single prompts. Looking at these developments together, we're seeing both the infrastructure layer and the consumer interface layer evolving rapidly. On one side, companies like Microsoft are validating that agentic coding tools deliver enough value to deploy across major product teams. On the other side, OpenAI is preparing to meet users where they are, with hardware designed around natural voice interaction. The release of GPT 5.2 Codex provides developers with more capable building blocks to create autonomous coding workflows. These moves suggest a future where AI assistance is both more capable behind the scenes and more accessible in everyday moments, shifting from something you actively seek out to something seamlessly available throughout your day.
Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.